Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today we have a floss tube update for you. This will be, I think, the quickest floss tube in the history of time. We've got a bazillion things going on today. It's Australia Day here in Australia and we've got visitors coming today, so this will be very fast. I've worked on 2 projects this week, so I'll show you those. I've got where that came from. Right, my travel stitching, which is now my piece by Hands On Design and the Fat Quarter Shop. So that is this one here, which is Season 2, A Year of Celebrations continues, and I'm working on the December block still, which is this little one down here. So, I've got a tiny bit more put into this. The last time you saw it, I'd only done the house, but I've now done some green down the windowsills and filled in that first yellow window. So what that will be is the lights are turned on, so these other 3 will be dark, but that one's yellow, so it looks like the lights are on. So that's that little piece. And then the other piece that I worked on was last week. I worked on my chatelaine for my Stitch With Me, so I've carried on and done a little bit more on that one. Out. So that's it there, what it's going to look like when it's finished. I've made it into a book so that I've got it all together. So that's it there. It's very, very pretty, and I'm working in this light blue colour around the outside. So let me show you that. So that's it there. So after the Stitch With Me, I went ahead and did a bit more. So I think I did that in the Stitch With Me. That was already done. And then I carried on and did these bits here. So that's how that's looking. That is on 32 count cream even weave. And I've done a little bit of beading in the centre. You would have seen it on the Stitch With Me if you watched that. But that's it. That's all my stitching. I've got no haul, no other stitchy news. But yes, I've got a million things to do this morning, and it's going to be 300 degrees, so I'm not going to stay out here. And with our visitors coming, it's going to be a hot day. So I'll let you all go. Thank you very much. Super fast. Nothing else. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.